Imagine being stuck in traffic, horns blaring, deadlines looming.
Stress feels like a storm inside your head. But women's brains handle that storm differently. Not weaker, not stronger, just, different.
Stress is like a fire alarm. It tells your body, something's wrong. Get ready.
Everyone has that alarm. But women's alarms ring louder, longer, and in different rooms of the brain.
Inside the brain, stress starts with the amygdala. Think of it as the fear button.
For women, the amygdala connects more strongly to memory and emotion centers.
Hormones change the story. Cortisol and adrenaline are the stress chemicals.
Estrogen and progesterone shift how those chemicals flow. Sometimes they soften stress, sometimes they amplify it. Evolution shaped this. Women's brains evolved to notice danger faster, remember threats longer, and respond with care.
Stress became a survival tool, not just a burden. Today, it shows up in daily life. A woman juggling work deadlines, family care, and social expectations.
But what happens when the plates wobble? Women's stress responses often lean toward tend and befriend. Instead of fight or flight, they seek connection. Connection becomes a shield against stress.
But here's the conflict. Modern life overloads those alarms.
Women face multiple stress layers: career, family, social roles.
Chronic stress rewires the brain. Memory sharpens for threats, but weakens for neutral events.
Stress makes the brain remember pain more than peace.
Women often report higher anxiety and depression rates.
Is stress turning survival wiring into suffering?
Social support helps. Talking with friends lowers cortisol.
Connection literally calms the chemicals.
But isolation makes stress worse.
Without connection, stress becomes a prison.
Workplace stress adds another layer. Women often juggle invisible labor, tasks no one notices but everyone relies on.
Invisible stress is still real stress.
Coping strategies matter. Exercise, mindfulness, and sleep reshape stress responses.
Factic coprin state child furbill polyinflation itself. The brain can be trained to calm itself.
Stress isn't the enemy. It's a signal, a tool, a reminder.
Stress can feel endless. But here's the turning point. The brain can rewire itself.
Neuroplasticity means the brain changes with practice. Meditation, therapy, even breathing reshape stress pathways.
The brain can train for peace.
Women's brains respond faster to mindfulness than men's. Cortisol drops quicker.
Calm comes quicker when practiced.
Exercise boosts dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals fight stress directly.
Movement is medicine for the brain.
Sleep repairs stress damage. Without it,
Alarms keep ringing.
Inctus ians, reset dust rest resets the alarms.
Therapy rewires thought patterns. Talking reshapes the brain's response to stress.
Words can rewire the brain. Whew.
Social support remains the strongest shield. Women's brains release oxytocin when bonding. Connection is chemistry. Stress isn't just survival, it's transformation. Women's brains turn alarms into lessons, pain into memory, fear into resilience. Stress becomes strength when understood.
Stress is universal, but women's brains handle it differently, wired for survival, connection, and resilience.
Die mindgoggle die vir saw. Difference isn't weakness, it's wisdom.
The takeaway? Stress isn't the enemy. It's a teacher.
Every alarm is a lesson.
Learn your stress signals. Practice calm. Build connection.
Your brain can be your shield.
Share this video with someone who needs to know. Stress can be reshaped.
Spread the science. Spread the calm.
Subscribe for more psychology explained simply.
Your brain deserves peace.